Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are an artist or just love creating playlists, you know how important it is to get your music discovered. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add hashtags to your Spotify playlist or music. Hashtags are a great way to increase visibility and reach a wider audience, so let's get started. First of all, find the Spotify app. Now open it. Now let's find the playlist or track where you want to add hashtags. You can search for your playlist on the library. Now select one playlist that you want to add hashtags. Here you can find the three dot lines. Simply select it. Here you can find the option of edit. Now select it. Finally, you can see the add description option. Simply tap on it. Here you can add relevant hashtags to make your playlist easier to discover. For example, you could add hashtags like fab, fun, and others. But if you are an artist and want to add hashtags to your profile, you will need to head over to Spotify for Artists. Once you have added your hashtags, make sure to click Save to update the description of your playlist or profile. And that's how you add hashtags to your Spotify playlist and music. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.